In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a view for closed tickets in Zendesk Support, along with some essential tips on what to watch out for. Whether you're new to Zendesk or just looking to streamline your workflow, setting up a clear view for your closed tickets can significantly enhance your productivity. Let's dive right into the process. To get started, you'll first want to navigate to the Admin Center within your Zendesk Support dashboard. Depending on the version you're using, you might see different navigation paths. In the latest version, you'll head to Agent Tools and then click on Views. If you're working with an older version, you'll find it under Manage and then Views. Once you're in the right section, you'll be greeted with the option to Add View. Alternatively, if you already have a similar view and just want to make some adjustments, you can clone an existing view to edit it. Next, you'll be asked to fill out some important details. Start by giving your view a recognizable title, such as Closed Tickets. This makes it easy to identify later on. While adding a description is optional, it's a great way to provide additional context for yourself or your team, especially if you're sharing views with others. Then, decide on who should have access to this view. You have the flexibility to grant access to all agents, select specific groups, or limit it to just yourself. This choice largely depends on how you want to manage information flow within your team. Now, you'll need to set up the conditions for your view. Under the section Meet all of the following conditions, specify that the ticket status should be set to closed. This is crucial because it filters out only those tickets that have been resolved and are no longer active. If your workflow requires further refinement, consider adding more conditions. You might, for instance, filter by a particular group, brand, or requester, depending on your specific needs. Once you have your conditions set, it's time to format the view. This is where you can choose the columns you want displayed, decide how the tickets are grouped, and set the order in which they're listed. Tailoring these settings can greatly enhance how information is presented to you and make scanning through your tickets much more intuitive and efficient. With everything set up to your liking, don't forget to hit Save. This step ensures that all your configurations are stored and your new view is ready to use. From now on, whenever you access this view, you'll see all tickets whose status is closed, organized just the way you've specified. And there you have it, a streamlined process for setting up a closed tickets view in Zendesk. By following these steps, you can effectively manage your resolved ticket backlog, keeping your support environment clean and focused. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more tips.